Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to help you learn how to download RunRich 3D application. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download the application, go to your Play Store for your Android and tap it on. For your App Store, you can go and open up your App Store and go to the search bar at the top and type in RunRich 3D. Make your search and you'll be able to find the application displayed on the screen. To download the game, tap on the install button and wait until the download is finished. RunRich 3D is a mobile video game developed by OHM Games. It is available for iOS and Android devices both. The game is basically about collecting more money as you run throughout the game. The more money you collect, the better your outfit will look. The game is pretty fun to play. After the download is completed, wait for it to install on your device. Once it does with the installation process, tap the play button to play the game, and the game now has been moved to your game launcher as well. That is how you can easily download RunRich 3D game on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.